Hey there, I am going to now show you how to create custom Slack responses in Slack. I don't know if you've seen this feature, but if you type in certain words, sometimes Slackbot will come up with a response. Um, and it can annoy your coworkers, so just a disclaimer to use it sparingly. But I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to again go to Customize Slack. So instead of the emoji section, we're going to go to Slackbot. And so I'm going to use this example. When someone says cat, Slackbot responds. Here's a fun tip. You can do more than one response. So Slackbot will kind of randomize it. You just do each new response on a new line. I'm just going to do some cat puns here. Yes, this is my favorite thing to do. So anyway, we're going to now click Save Response. And then I'll show you how this works. So type in Slackbot will say meow, so we'll try it again. As you can see, there's a different response every time. But to be warned, this does work on all of the channels. So I made the mistake of using people's names. And while a very serious conversation was going on Slack, Slackbot was kind of going in there and saying these funny responses that aren't so funny in a serious situation. So just use it sparingly, like I said, but it's a fun thing to do. Using people's names can be a little bit annoying though. So anyway, hopefully that helps and you're able to learn how to create your own custom Slackbot responses.